What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hamsty Plays, and today we are going to play Geometry Dash. So I play Geometry Dash too, and you can recommend the level that you want me to play because I beat two demons, which that is the Nightmare and the Lightning Road. My next one is gonna be I Spy, but I think I'm gonna focus a little bit on the rock top levels because I haven't even finished Clutterfunk. Oh. Wait, here, see, I haven't even finished clarifying. Let me do it. Oh, sorry, that's Goldie. Check her channel out. I'll put her on the screen. And Wyvern99. Yes, sub to them and me. Every time I die, this is a special edition. I forgot to tell you. Every time I die, there will be added some random weird like some some ankle breaks, and some weird sound effects every time I die. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting video. Oh yeah, and you should go subscribe to Hamsty World. That's a group channel with Goldie Golder, Wyvern99, and me. That channel's about Among Us, we playing together, and we can show you some tutorials to like vlog for camps, and we'll show you how to make food.
You farted.
No. Okay, let me cook. Okay, time to cook. The airplane sport, the hardest one for me for some reason.
For some dang reason.
Yeah. Oh my god! Okay. This part's easy.
Wow.
Bro, my clicks aren't clicking. Oh yeah, you guys, recommend me some games I should play, so I'll not be playing some random slop AI game. And if me, Goldie Golder, and Wyvern99 reaches 50 subscribers, all of us is gonna face reveal.
We did agree on that.
Yes, we did. Yeah. If each of us got 50 subscribers, we're gonna face reveal. Okay, we're getting to the ship part. Okay, after this attempt, I'm gonna be playing some demons. Okay, let's see some demons. Guys, recommend me some demons. I don't know what to play because this was hard. I can't even get past it. I can't even get past 20 again because I never played it in so long. I can do some of it. Okay, you know what? I think Platinum Adventure, that's just a plain part. But the first one is you have to go up here. Yeah, see. Okay. I don't know why there's some trolls. We have to go up. But when I go up, see? It almost kills me. You know what? This is the hardest game ever. I'm trying to get deadlock, but I can't. Let's do this. Oh, I forgot. Okay, wait. My brain is thinking something. Oh, wait. I'm gonna do I am wealthy. I am wealthy. I am wealthy. Gotta stay healthy. Gotta stay healthy. Playing a dash. Bazoom. I am gas. Ah. Hi, friends. We said the what? I am healthy. Gotta stay healthy. Playing the dash. Bazoom. I am gas. Ah. Whoa, why did that become really fast? I am healthy. Gotta stay healthy. Playing the dash. Bazoom. I am gas. Hi, friends. We said that's impossible. Maybe I have to take the fast dash thing. Playing the dash. The song, I guess. But ha! Okay, okay. Playing the dash. The song, I guess. I'm wealthy. Gotta stay healthy. Playing the dashy. Okay, after this, I'm gonna end the video. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.